wir hier in Teil 2, darf ich euch vorstellen, Antonio Nuri.
Hallo?
Der Meister aller Klassen im Catamaran Espresso Maschinendesign. Ventum. Was zeichnet die Ventum aus deiner Sicht?
This is a lever machine with a steam boiler of 5 liters and stainless steel model. It's a machine that was born from our passion for the sailing and for the coffee. The lever group is actually a very old system to extract the coffee, but still in use in the city of Naples, where we come from and where the machine is manufactured.
And when did you have the idea? During the America's Cup, or how did it rise in your mind?
Yes, actually the machine, the idea of this machine was crossing our mind before the America's Cup.
Yeah.
We wanted to present this for the event in Naples. Actually at the time we were almost finished with the first prototype. But let's say the first official machine we are presenting here in Milan at the host show.
Okay, so if you have any questions, just contact Antonio by Ambient Espresso, and I guess first I was a little bit afraid touching the boiler, but I guess it's double isolated.
Yes, actually the cover you see here is a stainless cover that is itself insulated, and inside there is the 5 liter stainless boiler which is also insulated.
Okay.
We measured a temperature on the surface of 40 degrees in July this year in Naples, while the outside temperature was 33. So we guess that a 38 degrees temperature on the surface will be an average temperature on this machine.
Okay. So, Antonio, I guess this is really a cool design, excellent machine. I know the lever group is for heavy duty purpose.
Yes.
And so for how many espressi per day?
As much as you can
Unlimited.
drink.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
So the right one for us, and now we say goodbye, and maybe we see us soon at bar equipped with this machine. Okay.
Tschüss aus
Ciao.
Mailand.
Ciao.
Danke, Marco.